Hey everybody, we are in Tampa today. Maybe you can see behind me what we're here for. Scott is excited. Today is the day I've been waiting on. We're in the middle of pass holder previews. They had media days and then they had pass holder days for platinum pass holders. Today we're here on President's Day. The park is busy, man.
Oh yeah.
But I'm really excited to get on. I tried to hold off and not watch spoiler videos online, but I couldn't help it. I had to watch.
I haven't seen any of them.
So I know what's gonna happen. I know how intense it is. I know people's reaction, and I'm ready to see it and experience it for myself. Are you ready?
No, but I have to be, I guess.
I like her when she's scared. Come on. So currently, like I said, mentioned earlier, we're on a certain level of pass holder previews today. Even though the park is busy, and I know a ton of people want to be riding this, today it's only a 10-minute wait. Front row.
Middle.
Front row.
A little late.
All right. No, you're not. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna have an awesome view here in just about 2 seconds. Woo! Oh my God! Oh!
Okay, that's it.
Oh my God. I'm crying.
I'm done. I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, that was so awesome.
I'm still alive. It just keeps
I think
going.
I've killed my wife.
That is the best ride I've ever been.
Jennifer's walking, but barely.
Oh man.
Did you hurl?
I did not.
Did you toss?
I did toss it and turn and flip, but I didn't hurl.
That's good.
Oh.
This is the old Gwazi.
Yeah, I don't have anything that has
It's over there. So these t-shirts are $29.99. They've got tank tops that are $24.99 with the old Gwazi logo. We got trucker hats, $24.99 as well.
If you're prone to motion sickness, that is not the coaster for you.
I thought it was fantastic. I loved it from start to finish. If you're a fan of like airtime,
oh yeah,
there's tons of airtime.
Lots of airtime.
That first hill is so steep that it's not until like a second into it that you could even see the track below you. Because
yeah, I closed my eyes. I didn't see that.
It's steeper than vertical. So that was awesome. All of the inversions were really smooth. The only thing that I thought that was rough were the sudden shifts in direction.
Yeah, and as far as it being smooth though, it's smooth. So the old Gwazi's gone.
Yeah, RMC coasters are known for that. you know, the wood flexes and gives a little bit, but that track is so rigid that, you know, the coaster stays firmly on the track, and I've found it to be a really enjoyable ride. So even though it's only a Monday, but it is a holiday, it's President's Day, they are doing Mardi Gras today. So there's Mardi Gras food booths open, there's a brass band somewhere, I don't know, I haven't seen them yet, and then there's a Mardi Gras parade, which we are gonna go try and catch here in just a minute. Here's a map of all the Mardi Gras food locations and beverage stations. Jen wants booth 8. I think one hurricane would be enough to knock you on your butt.
Well, it's not number 8.
But it's still a hurricane booth. I was at Universal the other day doing Mardi Gras there, and it was during the day, but this just seems, I don't know, it's like the middle of the day. It doesn't seem very
Mardi Gras-ish, unless you have a drink.
Oh, yeah.
Not like y'all speed bump.
So it's hot.
It is hot.
My face feels like it's on fire. We had a great day here at Busch Gardens. Priority number 1, Iron Gwazi. Jen and I rode it this morning, front row. We've already showed you the POV. Then I got back on later in the afternoon by myself. She said, I'm not doing it again. Rode back row. Back row was amazing. Wholly different ride, completely different ride.
So what, did you get more airtime back there?
Way more airtime. It just is so...
Did it like pull you?
It's like, so whippy. It's so
whippy.
Yeah, very whippy.
That's what I thought it would be. Whenever I got off that ride, I felt very woozy. I just felt really woozy. Eventually it did go away, but...
This one didn't do it to me, but I can see where it would because there is a lot of motion elements.
Right, yeah. So I like... And the second time I'm hot, I had food, I was just like, no, I'm good.
Well, we've been here a long time, and Jen said it best a while ago. She said we've been here a long time and haven't done much.
We haven't really. I mean, we waited in a lot of lines because we did Iron Gwazi twice. We did Cheetah Hunt.
We did get to experience some Mardi Gras stuff on a Monday afternoon in the theme park in the middle of Florida to have something Mardi Gras. Hey, we'll take it, right?
Right.
We're gonna head on out. We gotta drive back to Orlando. As always, guys, this was just a great time, a good day, and any day that Jen and I get to come so much together, I count that as a bonus because it's not as often as it used to be.
No.
But thank you for coming along with us today. As always, if never lost, then never found.
So go get lost.